In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit and share templates in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type a keyword related to the template you want, such as cars. Canva will display many templates related to that topic, including flyers, social media posts, and posters. Browse the templates and select the one you want to use. Click the template to open it in the Canva editor. After the template opens, start customizing it to match your needs. Click on the text boxes to change the words, titles, or descriptions. You can also replace images by clicking on them and uploading your own photos using the Upload section. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your style or brand. You can also add new elements like icons, shapes, or graphics from the Elements section. Once you finish editing the template, review the design to make sure everything looks correct. To share the template or design, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can send a shareable link to others so they can view or edit the template. If you want to save it, click Download and choose a file format such as PNG, JPG, or PDF.